Welcome to accounting session once again. So in the previous classes we have discussed what is meant by goodwill, meaning of goodwill. Then we have learned what is the factors that are affecting the goodwill, value of goodwill, and then we have seen once again what are the circumstances under which goodwill is valued. So in our previous session we have also seen the methods for the valuation of goodwill. Valuation of goodwill, there are three methods. Already we have discussed the first method, that is average profit method. Under average profit method, I hope so that we have solved three problems based on average profit method. Now let us see the next method, that is weighted average profit method. So average profit method and weighted average profit method, both are coming under the same group. That is first category, average profit method. So weighted average profit method is used when the trend is either in the increasing order or decreasing order. Whereas in case of average profit method, if there is no consistency regarding the profit or losses of a business, at that time we use average profit method. In the case if there is consistency, if the profit is going on increasing or if profit is going on decreasing, at that time we can use weighted average profit method. So here weights are assigned to each year and we will use the weights and find out the product, and then we will divide it by the total number of weights. So let us see one problem based on weighted average profit method. So weighted average profit method. So here, as I have told you, weights are assigned. What do you mean by weights? Weights means nothing but frequency. You might have learned in statistics frequency. How many times it has occurred, it shows the frequency. For example, let us take one example to understand the weights. If there are 5 students, and the score of each student is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the number of students, 5 students. Let us consider he has scored 50 marks. He has scored 60 marks. 50 marks. 70 marks. And student number 5 has scored 80 marks. So if you see the frequency, 50 has occurred twice. So the frequency of 50 is 2 times. Whereas 60 is 1 time, 70 is 1 time. So similarly, in weighted average profit method also, profits are assigned with certain frequencies or weights. It's called as weights in the calculation of goodwill. So let us see and solve one problem based on weighted average profit method. Let's frame one question and solve one problem based on weighted average profit method. So the profits of the firm for the last 4 years are as follows. 2009, 10, 20,000, 2010, 11, 25,000, and 2011, 12, 30,000. So the weights assigned are, it is already given in the problem, it will be given in the problem. The weights assigned are 2008-9, 1, 9-10, 2, 10-11, 3, and 11-12, 4. These are the weights assigned to various years. Let us solve this problem under weighted average profit method. So in weighted average profit method, year profits or loss, profits not weights product 2008 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12. 8, 9, 15,000, 9, 10, 20,000, 10, 11, 25,000, and 11, 12, 30,000. So here you can observe that the weights, the profits are in increasing order. So here we can use weighted average profit method for the calculation of goodwill. Instead of the first method, we can use second method of average profit method, that is a weighted average profit method. So 15,000, the weight assigned is for the year 2008-9, 1, then for 9, 10, 2, for 10, 11, 3, for 11, 12, 4. So these are the weights assigned. Total of weights equal to 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. Now let us calculate the product. 15 1 15,000, 20,000 into 2, 40,000, 25,000 into 3, 75,000, 30,000 into 4, 1,20,000. So if you do the total of this, total product is equal to 5, 10, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, 2,50,000 is the total product. So to calculate the weighted average profit, weighted average profit equal to $2,50,000 divided by total number of weights, that is 10, equal to 25,000. So this is the weighted average profit of the firm. Now you are supposed to calculate the goodwill. So goodwill equal to weighted average profit into years of purchase. Years of purchase. So let us consider here the goodwill is at 2 years purchase of weighted average profit. So here goodwill will be equal to weighted average profit is 25,000 and years of purchase is 2 years. Therefore, goodwill equal to 50,000. So, in our previous session, we have learned the calculation of goodwill under average profit method. This is slightly different from that. And here, if the trend is increasing, either in the increasing order or decreasing order, we will use this method. This method is called as weighted average profit method. So information given will be same as in case of average profit method. For the difference is here weights are assigned to each of the year, and on the basis of that weights, what we do is we prepare 4 columns, that is year, profits, weights and product, and we do the total. We add up all the total of the weights. That in this problem it is 10, and then product equal to what? Profits into weights equal to what? Product. We will calculate the product and sum of the product, and then weighted average profit is calculated. That is total product divided by total weights. That is equal to 25,000 in this problem. And then goodwill is equal to what? Weighted average profit into years of purchase. So years of purchase given in this problem is 2 years of purchase of the weighted average profits, and the weighted average profit is 25,000 into 2 years equal to 50,000. So if it is clear, well good. Or else I will solve one more problem based on this weighted average profit method. So it will be clear to you. So let's solve one more problem based on weighted average profit method. Remember, always use the weighted profit method, weighted average profit method only in case if the trend is going up or trend is going down. If the trend is going up or trend is going down. If the profits or losses are not consistent, you can use only the first method, that is average profit method. So let us solve one more problem based on weighted average profit method. So the profit of a firm for last 4 years is given as follows. $25,000, 2007, 8, 20,000, 2008, 9, 15,000, 2009, 10, 10,000. Here, if you observe the question properly, you see that the trend is going down. The trend is going down. It is declining. The profit is going on declining. Right? So in the previous problem, profit was increasing. Here it is decreasing. So here the weight will change. Let us see how to calculate the weighted average profit here. So the weights assigned to the years of profit are 2006, 7, 4, 2007, 8, 3, 2008, 9, 2, 2009, 10, 1. So here, since the trend is decreasing, the weights assigned will be in reverse. It will be in the reverse. Instead of beginning from 1, 2, 3, 4, it will begin from 4, 3, 2, 1. So let us now frame the question. The goodwill is 3 times 3 years of purchase of the weighted average profits. Now let's solve this problem. So previous problem, the profits were going up. In this problem, the profits are in the decreasing order. The profit has been declining from year to year. In the first year it was 25,000. In the second year it is 20,000. In the third year it is 15,000. And in the fourth year it is 10,000. So here the trend is decreasing. So the weights assigned have 3 years. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, it has become 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's solve this problem. So to solve this problem, once again put the table. So first year, then profits, then weights, then product. So here 2006-7 profit is 25,000. This is already given in the question, and weight assigned is also given in the question itself. So you will not put much effort to solve this problem. So here it is 20,000. Weight assigned is 3 given in the problem itself. 8, 9, it is 15,000. The information is available in the question itself. 9, 10, 10,000. So weight is 9, 1. 25 to 4, 1 lakh. 20,000 into 3, 60,000. 15 into 2, 30,000. 10,000 into 1, 10,000. So let us see the total product. 1 lakh 60, 1 lakh 90, 2 lakh. 2 lakh is the total product. And total of weights is 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So weighted average profit equal to total product divided by total weights. Total product is 2 lakh and weights is total is 10 equal to 20,000 is the weighted average profit. So now you are supposed to find out the goodwill. So to find out the goodwill, as you know very well, what is the formula? Formula is total weighted average profit into years of purchase. So goodwill equal to weighted average profit is 20,000 and years of purchase given in how many years? 3 years. 3 years of purchase. So 3 years equal to 60,000 is the value of goodwill. So these are the two trends that you can come across in this method, that is weighted average profit method. So in my next session we will discuss about the super profit method. Till then, thank you. Bye.